Billions of animals are being killed or slaughtered just for the sake of fashion. And billions of animals are also killed inhumanely just to prepare the food that we eat every day. Ever since, animals have been a great help for humans in providing food, helping in labor, and companionship. Thus, animals also have the right to be protected by the laws governing the humans because they too deserve to live free from exploitation and suffering. According to PAWS, an organization that helps protect the animals here in the Philippines, animal cruelty is defined as when someone hurts an animal or does not care for an animal responsibly, like not giving a dog or a cat food and water. More than 40 cases of animal neglect and cruelty are reported every day here in the Philippines. Lonely bear locked in a tiny cage always hope for a better life. An article written by Kristen Warfield revealed that some bears are kept inside uncomfortable cages. In Armenia, a bear named Gordon was locked inside a tiny cage as a pet and is left lonely day after day. The bears get so bored that they start chewing on the bars on their cages, which cause them damage to their teeth. The bear does not get the chance to go out in the open to play and interact with other bears who roam around the grass freely. They feel stressed when they are locked in such small cages with barely anywhere to move around. With this kind of treatment, the bear could suffer throughout its life and will never be happy and free. According to a published article of Nadine Frischlad, birds are among the most trafficked creatures. Due to a lack of rehabilitation centers where they would slowly be prepared for the life in the wild, many birds are released prematurely. That seems to have been the case with a group of cockatoos that were handed into the state after the infamous water bottle bust of 2015, which a smuggler was caught with 23 yellow-crested cockatoos stuffed in plastic water bottles in his luggage.
In light of these tragedies concerning animals, there are also who are actually concerned for the welfare and humane treatment of these animals. Certain organizations and individuals have helped in elevating animals from being subjected to cruel acts. An example of these organizations are the Humane Farm Animal Care or the THR-HFAC, a non-profit certification organization who have concerned themselves with improving the lives of farm animals who are used for the food industry from their birth through slaughter. Their objectives are driving consumers to demand for products wherein its animals have been treated with kinder and responsible practices. Products that have been approved are labeled with certified humane raised and handled, which assures that these products have been handled in accordance with the established objectives of the HFAC. Besides concerned organizations, there are also projects and activities that have made efforts in helping the welfare of wildlife animals that have been distributed by the anthropogenic means. In the Mexican rainforests of Palenque, the scarlet macaw has been reintroduced after 70 years of being absent from their extant home due to habitat destruction and poaching of these birds for illegal pet trade. Reintroduction of these species are thanks to different institutes who have taken upon themselves to bring them back to stable populations and have these birds primed to return to their normal habitats.
I said along the lines of the philosopher Jeremy Bentham.
It's not that they can't reason.
It's not that they can talk.
It's that they suffer.
Stop
Stop
animal
animal
cruelty.
cruelty.